everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a very natural look, and when I say natural I mean like you're going somewhere and you don't want to look like you put effort in, you want to look like you just are naturally glowing and you're not wearing any makeup. So we're going to go for that look today, like really barefaced but glowy and still looking cute. I just realized I look like a gypsy or like a pirate or something with this scarf and this top and the jewellery. We're just gonna rock this gypsy pirate look today. You may have watched my previous makeup tutorial, I'll leave it in the description down below, but that's my actual makeup look, you know, when I want to take photos, when I go to a party or stuff. As always, I spray my face with water first. And make sure you have clean hands, because then you're going to, actually no, we'll spray first. We'll spray with the iconic Prep Set and Glow. This stuff is so pretty and it smells so good. This is a little sample I got in a little gift package thing, but I should probably buy some because I'm running out. And for extra glow, we're also going to use this Rose Water Face Dew. I did a post on this recently on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, come support your girl. And now let's add some Radiance Primer by Rimmel. This stuff is really good. I might have used it in my last makeup tutorial. I just use Rimmel primers basically. They come in all little bottles at Priceline and they're always on sale, so you know. But adding a primer or a moisturizer when you're going for a natural look is good because it will help reduce any texture that you have before you apply the makeup on. Okay, so now that we're all nice and glowy and primed, for foundation I recommend getting a foundation stick if you want a natural look, because they're often more flawless and you can choose the amount of coverage. I feel like a liquid foundation is more obvious and can get kind of cakey more easily, so a stick foundation is what I recommend. I use the Hourglass foundation stick in beige. And as I said, you can choose how much coverage you get. So for this look, I'm only going to put a little bit compared to what I normally do. So just a little circle there, a little dab there. And I just use a sponge to blend it out. Make sure it's all seamless. Instead of foundation, you could also use like a tinted moisturizer, just something really light that will help even out your skin. Okay, so it still looks really glowy and natural, so you could get away with saying, I'm not wearing any makeup, this is my natural skin. Okay, so for this natural look you can skip concealer, but I'm just going to add a little bit under the eyes just because I feel like I look a bit tired, you know, your girl just woke up. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. So yeah, I'm only putting a tiny bit, and then you want to wet your sponge and dab away. Okay, so normally I would powder this whole situation up, but for this natural look we're not going to use powder because we want it to look, you know, like it's our real skin. We're going to add some liquid highlight to make it extra glowy. And it is really amazing. You don't even need a big bottle because a little bit with this goes a long way. And my camera's about to die, so I'll just charge it and I'll be back. Sorry about that. So I charged it for like 20 minutes. Hopefully it lasts the rest of the video. So we were up to liquid highlighter. So this is the iconic illuminator, and you literally just need a tiny bit. It does a lot. So I'm just gonna go like that. And I just use my fingers to pat it out. See, it does a lot. You don't need a lot. It's very strong. And put a little on my nose. And then whatever leftovers, I kind of put it on my brow bone. So that's what we have right now. We're going to add some bronzer. So I'm going to use the lightest bronzer I have. This is the Rimmel Sun Bronze. And I'm just going to put a bit on my forehead. And just a bit on the cheekbones, just lightly, and also on the jawline. Not going heavy with the bronzer, just very light application. If you feel like you're a bit shiny in your T-zone or stuff, you can put a little bit of light powder just so you don't look too shiny. Then I'm going to lightly do my brows. You can leave your brows if you want more of a natural look, but I'm going in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and it's got a brush on one end, so I brush through first. You've probably seen me use this. It was in my other makeup tutorial. I use the shade 4.5. Just super lightly fill them in. I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Drama Brow Mascara and do it in an upwards motion to make them extra fluffy. For mascara, I use the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, just because you've seen me use it in my other video. It's just got amazing volume and length. And for my natural looks, I'm just going to put it on the top lashes, not the bottom. And you can either leave your lips bare or you can add some pawpaw. I'll just put a bit of lip gloss on. I'm sure you've seen me talk about the lip gloss I use. It's the Thrive Cosmetics Glinda lip gloss, and it's got this amazing gold shimmer. It's the perfect warm colour for me. And this is the finished look. It's just very natural, barely there kind of makeup look. You don't really need any lip liner, eyeshadow, anything like that. It's very basic, and I've used mostly similar products from my last makeup tutorial, but just in a very lighter way. I haven't applied as much. And yeah, looking in the mirror, it doesn't look like I'm wearing much makeup. It looks like my real skin, but just extra glowy. And that's what we want. So I hope this tutorial helped you figure out how to make an... Ooh, my phone. I hope these tips helped you figure out your own natural makeup routine. You can always add a little bit more of a product or a little bit less. I asked you guys to send me questions on Instagram, so my next video will be a Q&A. I'm just gonna leave it on my story for a day and then maybe film it tomorrow or the day after. Please leave me video suggestions down below. I do read everyone's comments, so yeah, I really would like some help in figuring out what videos you guys want to see, what you like to see. I'm thinking I might do like a boyfriend rates my outfits, because I have a lot of clothes that I want to make a little haul from, but I think that'll be fun. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!